Jumajbekoglu of Kyrgyzstan in the blue, and Kim of the Democratic People's Republic of Korea in the red. Jumajbekoglu having lost to Svensson in his semi-final only about 15 minutes after he'd faced his quarter-final. He's had about 3 hours now since that match, so hopefully the battery's fully charged for Jumajbekoglu.
So this will be a much different match than what we just saw, just such different styles clashing here. So we see our second Democratic People's Republic of Korea athlete of the night in Kim. I'd say a very consistent style and approach from Kim, from the Democratic People's Republic, but Jumajbek is going to be loving coming these outside.
Kim on the clock. Reward for Jumajbekoglu's early forward pressure.
You can see the athletes meeting forehead to forehead, both looking to see and feel, get a sense of creating an angle, creating a small opening as they feel each other out in these opening minutes of this match.
That's a good shot. Gets right through the defense, but it was the reverse gear from Jumajbekoglu that saved him.
And again, you know, Jumajbek, he does not want to give space to Kim in this moment. He wants to keep his hands on them, keep thinking about creating around the hands, getting those angles. And Kim, he's going to be looking to get his hands on, snap and move, getting his attacks from open.
Bronze medal contests at these Asian Championships, extremely high quality. Different day, ever so slightly different results. This is the gold medal contest. In fact, Kim only narrowly losing to Svensson in his first match today. Lost on criteria, 2 points each. And had to go through the repechage and defeated.
Lots of athletes at the highest level, you know, be successful at multiple different weight classes, because you don't want to be the skinniest wrestler on the day, you want to be the best wrestler on the day. And so I'm always a strong component at every single level of the sport, really focusing on the technical execution, being the best wrestler, and less so on cutting down to try to be, you know, the smallest at a weight class to gain success. So it's great to see Jumajbek up here in the Olympic weight class of 65. He's withstanding the onslaught of pressure here from Kim. So we're really seeing a change of pressure, change of intensity from Kim. We do now have Jumajbek on the activity period. So both of these athletes have kind of been like hanging out, not really looking to create massive openings or make any possible potential openings for their opponents. But there's lots of time left in this match, but also can go by so quickly. Jumajbek digs in here for these double overhooks. Activity period has expired, but this is a great position we're going to see him continue to work and progress from. And see that powerful strength come in Kim as he kind of straightens his back, comes up out of that into this position, snaps out of the position from here. I really think that there's an opportunity in that front headlock for Jumajbek to drop in on a low pick.
Last 60 seconds. Kim, the one who is behind on criteria.
A warning, pulling the singlet to Kim. So it's the first verbal warning, and if it happens again, there will be a caution point awarded.
Bekalou looking at the home stretch here, but also looking at Kim, who is showing no signs of waning. The forward pressure still there, but the time against it. Bekalou here. Anything will seal this for either wrestler.
Oh.
Wanted the challenge.
So with 1 second left, Zumash back.
Both of the wrestlers, they are in contact. And blue wrestler, he is pushing a little his opponent. No caution, no point. Challenge lost.
So Kim takes the victory. Bekalou